In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a stock photo library inside Chrome using the Resources panel. This is a quick process, but it's very useful when you want fast access to free stock images without breaking your workflow or leaving the page you're working on. If you're building content, designing something visually, or just looking for a high-quality image to use as inspiration, this feature can save you time and keep everything in one place. To begin, look at the top toolbar inside Chrome and find the Resources icon. It appears as a layout of 4 geometric shapes, so it should stand out once you know what you're looking for. Go ahead and click that icon to open the Resources area. This is where you can access additional tools and built-in options that expand what you can do without needing to open separate tabs or search manually elsewhere. Once the Resources panel is open, switch over to the Plugins tab. This section contains optional tools and integrations that you can use as needed. Inside the Plugins tab, use the search bar to look for either Unsplash or Pexels. Both are popular stock photo libraries known for offering a wide range of high-quality images, so you can use whichever one is available or whichever you prefer for your project. After you find the plugin you want, click Run. That will launch the stock photo library as an overlay panel directly inside Chrome. In other words, the image library will appear on top of your current workspace, making it easier to browse without losing your place. This is especially helpful if you're in the middle of editing, designing, or planning content and want to stay focused while searching for visuals. At this point, the stock photo library is open and ready to use. You can begin browsing images from the overlay panel and continue your workflow more efficiently. If you don't see the plugin right away, make sure you're in the correct tab and that your search term is spelled correctly. Keeping an eye on the exact plugin name can also help speed things up. And that's it. By opening the Resources icon, switching to Plugins, searching for Unsplash or Pexels, and clicking Run, you can quickly bring a stock photo library directly into Chrome and make your content workflow smoother and more convenient.